Hey guys, my daughter's Kia Rondo has a exhaust leak, so we're gonna put it up on ramps and take a look and see if we can fix it. So stick around and check it out. I can't remember if this is a 2007 or 2009 Kia Rondo, and it's got a bit of an exhaust leak. So we're going to take a look and see if we can fix the problem. Okay, if you don't have ramps, you can definitely jack it up on one side. Okay, that's the problem right there. The catalytic converter and then the joint to the tailpipe is split apart. I don't see any other problems, and that isn't an impossible thing to deal with for the average person at home. I'm going to let the exhaust cool off, and when everything's cool, we'll start working on it. Okay, so I've got a plan how I'm going to fix this. It involves fabricating a couple of brackets to draw it together, because on closer inspection, the issue is the flanges and the bolts have rotted away. And there's nothing holding that joint together. I'm going to seal it. I'm going to use some JB Weld muffler cement to seal it up. And then after that's done, I'm going to use my brackets to draw it together. Now, if you're at home in your driveway and you don't have a lot of tools, you could definitely use wire or coat hanger and wrap it around that and use a pair of pliers to tighten it up, and you could draw that together. So that'd be a good solution for a quick temporary fix if you had a joint pull apart just like this. Okay, there's my custom muffler clamps. They're just 2-inch clamps that are the right size to go around the muffler pipe. They're going to clamp on, and then I added these little tabs, which I will have bolts going through, and it will draw the two pieces together. Okay, there's my system. I've got the 2 muffler clamps on, and you can see those tabs. They have a bolt going between each tab. As I tighten up that bolt, it's going to draw the joint together. So the next step is to just add some muffler sealer, some of the JB Weld, and then we'll tighten everything up. Okay, so it's the next morning. I just let this dry up overnight. We're gonna start up the car and see how it holds up. It's not totally hard, it's still a little soft, but we're gonna see how it works. So there was still a slight leak, so I tightened the flanges to draw it together a little more and added some more muffler cement, and it seems to be not leaking. And the noise is considerably less, so it's quieted down quite a bit, so I'm going to call that a win. Okay guys, I'm going to wrap this video up here. Hopefully this was useful information, and definitely don't be afraid to use muffler cement to try to do repairs on your own in your driveway to deal with some of these smaller exhaust leaks. It can save you a ton of money. You might be interested. I'll have another video that I'll link here at the end of this video that shows a different type of repair using a kind of old school hack. So you might be interested in that. If this is the kind of content you're interested in, think about liking the Woods Farm channel. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. As always, thanks for watching.